Previously on For Better, Not Worse.
Hey, didn't you see my message?
I did.
And?
Are you sure it's mine?
Wait, what?
Yo, bro, what's going on, man? I've been trying to link you for the longest while, but can't get through at all.
Bro, I've been so stressed right now, G. You home? I need to come see you like right now, bro.
Pregnant? No. You don't serious now, you.
Woman pregnant, my G.
Right now, you need Jesus Rasta. Probably the 12 disciples. And if you need a backup, I can be the 13. But I can't help you, Rasta.
I need to talk to you now.
Oh yeah, I need to talk to you too. What is it?
So I actually went out with my boss.
You stupid! Ooh, oh my God, I can't believe this right now. Are you telling? Don't. It's over.
Yo, G. Yo, the conversation never go good at all, brother. Yo, the thing drastic. But I'm gonna call you tomorrow because I can't talk right now and want to go all fresh and get some sleep, brother. You see me I say?
Where do you think you're going?
What the hell?
You're not sleeping here tonight. You got me messed up.
Yo, bro, let me call. I'll call you tomorrow. Okay, my boss? All right, bless up.
Thank you, Lord.
Make me feel like I'm supposed to go. Tell me what you're thinking about me when I'm gone. You're so beautiful, it's so personal. And while you play these games, I question my faith first of all. You'll never know what I really feel when I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. So darling, just call. Tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall. I can't lose it all. Take a part of me that doesn't show. Hide it in the dark until it's gone, gone, gone.
What you doing? What you doing? Is this how things are going now? What's all of this stuff? Water in my face, pillow in my face. I get locked out of my own room. And I can't even sleep in peace now. Window open, door open, all this loud music in the morning. So I can't find a comfort in my own house? Really?
You know, I thought you were different.
Oh my God.
I really thought you were different.
Different? I made a mistake. One mistake. How much obstacles we've gone through in the relationship. And we've gotten past it. And now you tell me, say what? I'm going to live in torture because of a mistake?
This is not a regular mistake. This is a child we're talking about. You know, the hardest thing is to watch the one you love somebody else.
Love somebody else? How love come into this? It's a one night stand, my girl. A one night thing. We had a few drinks and one thing led to another. That's all it was. Where you get love? How love come into this thing? The woman come now, she talking about pregnant. And my life is in turmoil because of this stuff. Really?
You don't get it, right? It's not even just about having a baby. You could have brought me an STD, for God's sake. You put my life at risk. You could have at least used a condom. I thought you had enough sense.
I was drunk. How much time I have to say that to you? I was drunk. One thing led to another. I'm going to pay with my life for this? Can't we try to find some kind of way of getting past this? It wasn't enough for you to just lock me out of my room. Right now you come, you turn on all this music. All this bright light in my face and everything.
You know what? I'm not going to do this right now with you. The Campbells will be here soon and I need to start making dinner. We're just going to have to talk about this later. I'm not doing this right now.
You know what though? After all is said and done, after this Thanksgiving dinner and everybody is left, we need to sit down and have a conversation because this is rubbish. This has to stop. I'm not going to be doing this with you, this torture, like I'm living in a prison in my own house. You understand? So we need to get some resolution to this thing. Yes.
I'm starving. Alright, we're going to be eating in a few seconds.
So where's Poppy?
Who?
Poppy.
I don't know. Maybe someplace doing what he ain't got no business doing.
Really?
Yep. Anyways, let's go eat, shall we? Okay, eating time. Let's go.
Oh, hold on.
What one box?
Hey, Poppy, come on.
Alright.
Alright, Junior, so you want to do us the honors?
Okay, that's fine.
Alright, let's hold hands,
And
guys.
there's so much we have to give God thanks for this year.
Yes.
Today is Thanksgiving, and we just want to just thank God for what He have done for us.
Yes.
Okay, so just bow your head. Father, we thank you for today. We thank you that you still sit high and you look low. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
Tanya, are you okay?
Oh.
Dinner time.
What's going on?
Nothing. Or maybe you want to ask your brother over there.
Wow. Seems like something wrong this time. What's going on, Poppy?
Ask me what? We're good,
We are?
aren't we?
Are we?
As far as I know.
Well, the food good. As far as I know.
Yeah, let's eat.
Wow, really good. You good?
You sure you're okay, Lottie?
Tell me food I get frozen.
She's okay.
Don't speak for me. Speak for yourself.
Honey, you really want to do this right here? Right now?
We should do this right here. I think it's a perfect time. Why not?
Perfect time for what?
Because you walk around acting as if you are so innocent. And I think it's time for your family to know that you are far from being innocent.
You just like to be dramatic.
Oh! Don't get me started. Because trust me, you don't want me to go there right now.
Yeah, I really don't. Can we just get back to eating?
You lucky the kids are sitting here. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm just going through a lot right now.
Well, that's fine.
Y'all want us to leave or something?
No, it's okay. I'll be alright. Let's just eat. It's Thanksgiving. I'm fine. I'm good.
I guess we can just reflect on something to give God thanks for. Be thankful for. Nothing to be thankful for?
I'm thankful for my children.
I'm thankful for my wife.
Well, that is good. I'm thankful that I don't have corona. Nobody else?
Well, at least that made you laugh.
Come on, Lottie.
Where's I am?
You don't thankful for your husband?
I'm thankful for my children.
Without the husband, there's no children?
That's it. You need to tell them what's going on.
Latoya's having some issues. That's what's going on. Honey, we can do this at a later date, another time. We don't have to involve everybody in our family issues.
I am really hungry.
I'm hungry too.
Is it good?
Yes, it is.
I'm hungry too. For the Lord.
Josh, are you hungry?
What you're
Come, let's have it.
You're so beautiful, it's so personal. And while you play these games, I question my faith rest of all. You'll never know what I really feel when I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind. So darling, just call. Tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall.
Honey? Honey?
What?
Can you just come downstairs for a second?
This better be important. I have an interview in the morning and I really need to get some sleep.
I promise it won't take long. Can you just come? Can you just come on?
This better be important. Just don't have time for all this foolishness. I don't know what you could possibly want to talk to me about.
Honey, just calm down, calm down. Just give me a chance. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You're looking very nice, actually. How was your day? Good?
My day was good. Like, what is this about?
Calm down, just give me a chance.
Like, I feel like I can't even...
You can't even what? Just give me a chance.
Can you just really...
Can you just hear me out?
Me.
Can you just hear me out? You want a drink? Let's have a drink. Look, I got your favorite. Ready? There you go.
What are we celebrating?
We're just gonna talk. Can't we just talk? Like old times?
I'm only drinking just because I really feel for a drink. Because you're really getting on my nerve. This is the only thing that helps me throughout each day because...
What, drinking?
Yes.
You're not becoming an alcoholic, are you? Okay. So, I want to talk about us.
There's no us.
What do you mean there's no us?
There's no us.
Honey, just hear me out for a second, okay? Just hear me out for a second, okay? What if this child is not mine? There's a strong possibility. I mean, it's not like I don't think I'm the only guy she's been seeing. And, you know, what if it turns out that this child is not mine? I understand that I stepped out and, you know, I made a mistake. I betrayed your trust. But if this child is not mine, I mean, can't we just go back to normal?
Things will never get back to normal. How would I ever be able to trust you again? How?
But I can work on that. That's going to be a gradual process. Nothing happens overnight. So you're telling me that for the 20 years that we've been together, you're just going to throw that away because of one night?
The 20 years we've been together.
You know, it's almost, I feel like you wanted something to happen to come out, you know? That's how I feel. I mean, I
thought we had a perfect marriage, to say.
A perfect marriage?
Yeah, I thought we had an almost perfect marriage. So why would you think I wanted something like this to happen? Like, which woman would want this to happen?
So how is it that you could throw...
Just listen to yourself right now, because you sound ridiculous.
But how can you just throw 20 years?
I didn't throw it. You did. Let's not forget here. You did.
Well, okay. I made a mistake. I was not trying to throw my marriage away. I understand that. I made a mistake. So you're gonna crucify me for a lousy mistake. Right? What if this was reversed? Would you not like for me to...
Reversed?
What if the shoe was on your foot?
What are you saying? Like if I had cheated on you?
Yeah.
I wouldn't have. You know why?
Why?
Because I took my vows very seriously. And when I made a commitment to you, I also made a commitment to God. Obviously, you weren't thinking about God when you did what you did.
So you're saying there is no hope for us? 20 years, 3 kids, everything we've achieved together means nothing right now.
Honestly, I feel like I just need some space. My judgment is very clouded right now, and I really don't want to make a final decision with a cloudy mind. So I feel like it's just best for you to maybe move in with your sister for a few weeks, just so I can clear my head. It's like every time I see you,
what are you talking about,
It
man?
aggravates me just seeing you right now. I just need some space.
You think this is not bad for me? You don't think I'm hurting too? You think if I could go back on that same night, I would not have done things a little differently? None of this is making sense right now. It's almost as if you don't want to give the relationship a chance. How can you throw away 20 years for something that's up in the air? It's not even concluded that it's my child.
It's not going to make a difference, really.
So if it's not my
child... Whether it's your child or not, you stepped out on me.
Honey. Babes. Just one chance. Please. I'm begging you. My family means the world to me. I can't lose you guys. I can't. My world will crumble. Just one chance, I promise. I will make it up to you. One chance. Just one chance. I'll leave the house. I'll give you the space that you need. Just don't let me lose my family. I'm begging you.
You know what? I don't want to deal with this right now. I think I should be calling my lawyer in the morning. And
one chance.
One chance is all you got. You'll be hearing from my lawyer. And I suggest you start packing.
You're so beautiful, you'll never know how I can make you feel when you have got someone to hold. It's so personal, wish I was near you now, but I'm all alone on the road. I'm losing my mind, so darling, just call, tell me everything's alright. I don't wanna fall. I can't lose it all.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Ian.
Hey, listen. My wife and I had an argument last night, and she's talking about divorce and wanting me out of the house and all this foolishness. Are you 100% sure this is my child?
Yes, I'm sure it's your child.
So you haven't been seeing anyone else at all, right?
Well, I have been seeing this other guy, but those time frames don't add up.
What are you talking about? If there's another guy in the picture, how could you be 100% sure it's mine?
I know what I know. You can assume what you want, okay? But you need to man up and stop making that wife of yours cloud your judgment.
Hey, I'm not doing nothing until I get a DNA test proving that this is my child. That's all I'm saying.
Screw you, Ian, okay?
Nervous though. But you know what? Thank you so much for instilling faith in me. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah? Well, I don't know. I think they were saying something like in the next 2 weeks. I told him I could start right away. Because, girl, I'm ready to get out of this house.
So where's my food?
Girl, I am so ready to be making some big money. Oh, yes. You know what? How about a lunch date tomorrow? Yeah. It's been a while. Uh-huh. So, you know, once they told me what they were offering and they saw my resume, they were like, you know what? You're the right person for this job. You know what I mean?
Not that you care or anything, but I'm going outside to grab something to eat and get some fresh air. When we come back, we definitely need to talk. Because this is another level, like no food? Really? Zion, I'll be back, okay? Stay.
Anyways, girl, let me call you back. Yeah. Say if you think I'll come back in here tonight, you see? Hey. Watch me and him, man. If you think he might come back in here tonight, hey, you're not coming back in here tonight. This is it. I'm done. You think that's how this thing go? You're leaving today. I'm not coming back in here. I'm tired of this. I'll put up with you no more. This is it. Should I show you from the first day? Some boy you not leave out here. You got to go, man. Not dealing with it no more. Not dealing with this no more. Sorry, Zion. Because you got to go. Well, have your cake, can't eat it too. You know, go work, master. You got to go. Me done. Me done. You play with you long enough. The man making one. Making pan. Making Gallagher movie with him mistress. That he want. That the life they want. Oxide.
Yo, G, man, it was crazy, bro. When I tell you crazy, you weren't joking when you're talking about the disciple them, brother. You get me? Yo, man, I needed all the help I could get. My girl slapped me, you know, bro. Brother, she slapped me. What me could I do? Yo, me just have to sit down there, brother, and be a rich star. Yeah, me know you did one, me star, you see me? And that's why I tell you, so, yo, I don't know how I deliver that message, brother. You get me? Yeah, and yo, on top of that, brother, she threw some water upon me, bro, God. Yo, when I tell you, so the thing was sick, brother, the thing was sick. Like, I couldn't believe, like, I've never seen her reacted like that before. You get me? Yeah, I don't know, bro. And then now, you know, as I tell you before, to top it off, the argument last night, she's talking about divorce and lawyer and all these things, brother. I don't know, brother. No, I get no better. You get me? And the boss, she just make it from bad to worse because I spoke to her and she ever tell me that there was another guy involved. So how the hell you ever tell me say you're sure it's my child? This lady just come like she try to cause problem in my life. You get me? What the hell? Yo, G, hold on for a second. What the hell is this? Yo, that girl here go really crazy in a star. John no star. What is? John no star. Yo!
Get off my property or I'm calling the police. Or I'm turning the sprinkler on.
I once loved a girl, but she don't love me anymore. And the pain that comes in waves like it's washing me up on the shore. I thought we were happy, guess I thought too much anyway. Now that she's leaving, I kinda wish that she would stay. And I know I drove you crazy. Sometimes you'd even hate.